Hi, Corey Hankey with Mad City Windows. Today we're on site to do a full walkthrough of one of our typical window installations. We're going to be replacing about 5 windows and a patio door in this home today to give the customer more energy efficiency and a better look. Currently we're standing at the front of the home. Today we're going to be taking out this 3-light casement and putting in one of our 3-light sliders. So during the process, what we're going to do is we're going to peel away this old aluminum. We're going to try to identify if there's any rotted wood or any damage that's been caused since the home was built. We're going to cut out these tall mauls right here because those aren't going to be needed anymore. We're going to have one solid window unit that goes in place. We live in Wisconsin where you get a lot of inclement weather and temperature variances. One thing you might notice on your windows in the morning is a lot of condensation on the lower glass. That condensation ultimately affects the wood structure of your window. You may not see it with screens in place like this, but over here where I've removed the screen, something you're going to notice right away on the bottom of that window is a lot of gray wood. That's where the stain and the varnish is starting to laminate and come away. With our new Polytech design windows, you're not going to end up having that. They're maintenance free. There is no rot that can happen with them. After that window's in, we're going to shim it, square it, make sure that it's nice and straight. We're going to foam it for energy efficiency, and then we're going to cap it. We want to make sure at the end of the day, all of the cleanup is taken care of. Like any construction, we're going to have some wood chips, some screws, some nails. Those drop on the ground. We want to make sure those don't end up in the mulch. Just so at the end of the day, we can wrap that all up in a bundle and walk away. No mess in the landscaping, no chips of paint, no chips of wood, no nails, no screws. Now what we've done here today is an installation of all the windows and doors in the home. We replaced the patio door and about a half a dozen windows. Obviously, aside from the aesthetics and the brighter appearance, the customer is going to get a full warranty. We want to make sure this customer has a lifetime of support from us. We're there 24 hours a day for whatever support they need. At the end of the day, what we have is a new look to the home. The customer is really going to enjoy this new product.